Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making baked pepperoni pizza chips. These are crispy, cheesy, pizza-inspired snack chips made with no dough. These bake into golden, crunchy rounds with a rich cheese base, classic pizza sauce, and a pepperoni on top. Perfect for parties, game day, or snacking. Okay, we're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius. We're going to prepare our baking sheet with some parchment paper. We're going to grate up some low moisture mozzarella cheese. And we're going to grate up some provolone cheese. We're going to grate up some Parmigiano-Reggiano. Okay, in a large bowl, we're going to mix all those cheeses together. Okay, using a tablespoon or a small cookie scoop, we're going to scoop 12 little piles onto our prepared baking sheet. Make sure they're spaced wide apart because they will spread out. Then we're going to put about 3/4 of a teaspoon of pizza sauce on the center of each little cheese pile. Now we're going to add a pepperoni slice to the top of that. Alright, so we're going to place these in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes until the cheese has fully melted, the edges are deep golden brown, and the centers are bubbling. Then we're going to remove those from the oven. We're going to leave those on the pan for at least 2 or 3 minutes to harden up a little bit. Then we're going to transfer those to a wire rack to let them cool completely. This is what makes them crispy. Then you want to repeat these steps until all the cheese mixture has been used up. Okay, you can serve them warm or at room temperature. Optionally, pair those up with some extra pizza sauce, some marinara sauce, or ranch for dipping. For best results, freshly grated cheese melts better and crisps up cleaner than pre-shredded cheese. Darker edges equals more crunch. If the chips soften, re-crisp them at 375 for 3 to 4 minutes. Store cooled chips in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat in the oven or the air fryer. Avoid the microwave, that just makes them soggy. So there you go, pepperoni pizza chips. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.